The wildlife of Greenland is of interest to all visitors of Greenland and all local people. Both the wildlife in the sea and the wildlife on land. Right here in Gangslusrock is one of the best places to see wildlife on land. That's what we call terrestrial wildlife. There are very little marine wildlife because we are far inland. There's only a narrow 100-mile long fjord out until the coast. The terrestrial animals in West Greenland are the caribou. Some call them reindeer, but they are the same as the North American caribou, the barren ground caribou. Then the muskoxen. It's also known from Arctic Canada. And those are the two biggest ones. They're plant eaters. Another plant eater is the Arctic hare. Then the predators. The biggest one is the polar bear. It's very rarely seen in here. That for over 60 years at 2 sites of polar bears. But you never know. They're all over. But basically daily wildlife, then you have the Arctic fox. Comes in a gray and a white face. So they're not two species, they're the same species. It's a long time ago I first went here to Greenland. It's 39 years ago. I came first as an assistant to a geologist. That was a good start. Being a student, you got paid and still you went to Greenland. So that was really two good things. And then I saw nature and hiked around for months in the mountains, and I guess that was what hooked me, the wildlife and the mountains. I think it's one of the most rewarding part of a life as a researcher in the Arctic. Personally, I think it's getting the opportunities to tell other people about what is going on, not just present a graph or a table or something, but drag them out. You don't need to drag people here, but take them out, show them things, explain things to them, and there are lots of good stories right there before you.